Hi, this is Benjamin, founder of Farmagain. We've been focusing on increasing revenues from farms in the recent past. Agricultural income is tax free. We normally see people in other industries or people working in IT industries. They are the ones who actually come and build these infrastructure. So they're already paying tax. For them, if they can increase their tax free income, what better returns can you expect? That's our focus. Yes. Now, when you think about polyhouse, everybody has a notion that I have a polyhouse, therefore all the crops I'm going to grow in the polyhouse are going to be highly remunerative. Yes, they are, no doubt. But if you look at crops like cucumber and capsicum, which incidentally this farm also grew for the last 4 or 5 years, they require a lot of maintenance, intensive care, pest infestation, timely management of pests. All that is required for most of the vegetable crops, including capsicum and cucumber or tomato, cherry tomato, all of them. But this ginger, this farm has basically two polyhouses. We are standing in one, which is approximately 1 acre, and here you can see ginger, and the other polyhouse has turmeric. The beauty of these two crops is that they are vigorous yielders, especially in a controlled environment, and ginger in particular can produce anywhere between 2 and 2.5 kg of rhizome. And the beauty of ginger in particular is that, let's say at the time of harvest, if the prices fall, you can let it grow even further, allow the rhizome to still become bigger, and wait for the prices to stabilize or improve, then sell. Or even better, if you want a very stable and best income, dry it, sell it. Dried ginger has always a constant income. So ginger is one of the best crops, reasonably low maintenance crop, which can give you best returns, especially when you have a polyhouse. Try to experiment with this. And the other recommendation I have is please do not go with soil in polyhouse, because you're already spending a lot of money building a polyhouse. And why do you want to inherit the problems that the soil already has, whether it is pathogens or fungi, whatever it is? These coco peats have nothing in them, they are inert. So you can control what the plant takes by accurately administering the easy pH balance that Growtron offers, which also this farm uses that feature. So when you do EC management, what happens is, if the plant can take, let's say, 1.5 ppm of certain fertilizer, that is what you translate into the language of EC and calculate and supply. Therefore, the plants are fed with what they can eat. The other factor is pH management. You maintain a certain pH that this plant loves, which is slightly acidic. Therefore, the plants are given an environment in which they can totally feed on what they have been given. The farm where we are standing today is one of the oldest farmers. He has been growing capsicum and cucumber for the last few years, I think 4 or 5 cycles so far. And now he has ventured into ginger and turmeric. What he had told me once was he has seen tremendous success with his polyhouse experience so far. He was able to achieve great productivity, and it is because of that now he went ahead and he has spent so much money going completely soilless. He has also now adopted the real-time ECPH concept. Earlier we had given him, when we installed originally, we had given him mixing tank concept for fertilizer management. But now he's taken the real-time ECPH balancing as well. So with that, the plants are really given what they need, and what we expect is about 2 to 2.5 kgs of rhizome at the time of harvest. Let us now go to the other polyhouse where you can also see turmeric. This is the polyhouse with turmeric. When we actually came out of ginger polyhouse, we were told by the caretaker of the farm that when you walk from one polyhouse to the other, you are supposed to sanitize yourself before entering the next one. But unfortunately, we are not in a position to sanitize ourselves, so we choose to stand outside and show you as much as possible the kind of growth that this turmeric plant has seen in the last 2.5 to 3 months. Uh, Again, turmeric, you can do say about 27,000 plants per acre in this method, and the expected yield is anywhere between 1 kilogram of rhizome to up to 2 kilograms of rhizome. Some people even bet more, but let's keep it in the safe range. Even if it is 1 kg, it is a great harvest. Another additional fact, when you grow it outside and compare it with when you grow it inside a controlled environment like a polyhouse, the increase in curcumin content is supposed to be anywhere between 6 and 10%. When the curcumin content is more, obviously the valuation for this produce is higher. My message to both farmers who already have polyhouse and to the other people who want to get into polyhouse cultivation, choose smart crops like this, which are reasonably low in maintenance, high in returns. Your ROI can be much quicker. Your tax-free income can grow multifold. If you really are interested in increasing your tax-free income and revenue, please contact us. Our team is always there to help you out. Thank you. See you again.